Hi guys! Today I'm taking over my mom's channel and making brown butter crepes with the help of my mom. We decided to choose a place where we want to travel to, and I really want to go see France. That's why I chose this recipe online to follow and make. My mom will insert the link to the recipe and any other item down below. I hope you like the video. Keep watching and hit the subscribe button. This is salt we're using, and we're using black pepper and some flour, Nutella, which is my favorite, half and half milk, and eggs and butter.
Can you tell us what's the first step?
First, we're going to put the butter in the pan. Okay.
And are your hands cleaned and washed?
Yep.
Good.
And now we're going to melt the butter.
Good. So tell me, how do you like it? Being the chef for today?
I'm excited.
You're excited?
Mm-hmm. I like cooking desserts especially.
Yeah, I know that. You love desserts.
It's almost melted, just a little more.
Okay.
We poured the butter from the pan into the bowl, and now we're going to let it cool off.
Yeah.
We're going to crack the egg and put it in the bowl.
Whoa. Is there any shells in there?
Only a few little. I really don't know how to crack egg that much, because sometimes I spill the shell.
It's okay, you do know how to do it. Come on.
But I just spilled the shell.
It's okay, we can take it out.
So I poured one whole egg, and now I'm going to put like just the yolk of the egg in the bowl with the other egg. And now we're going to put the milk, half and half milk in. Wow, it's like the egg. You can't see the egg that much anymore. Use my whisk. Now let's whisk it up. Now you can't see the egg, it's just milk. Wow. Flour, we're going to pour it into the half and half milk and eggs. Wow. Now let's whisk it up. Wow. Now it's turning harder. So different. And now it became harder when we put the flour in. It's become hard. Now we're going to add the brown butter into the...
But what did you have to do to the butter after you browned it? You had to let it
cool off after we melted in the pan.
Good. Yep.
Wow.
You're doing a great job, girl.
It smells good and yummy. put the salt and pepper. I'm only going to put a little salt and pepper.
Did something come out?
Yep. Okay, now we're going to put some pepper. Wow.
Go ahead. A couple more turns. I think that should be good.
Okay, now it's time to whisk it up. You can barely see the salt because like it's white and like the whole mixture is a different color. So this is the pan we use to brown the butter, and we're going to put it on high heat, and we're going to put one cup of the batter at a time in the pan.
What does it say on the measuring?
1.5.
One and
1 and 4 quarters. I mean.
Yep. And I'm going to be helping you, or?
Yes, you are going to be helping me.
Okay.
Okay, so
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, one sec. Bring it closer. Bring it closer. And put it on the pan. Hold on. Go ahead. Drop it. Go put this cup right here. And then you have to swirl. Was our pan too high?
Mommy, it's going to fall off.
No, it's not.
Okay. Now we put more, Mom. Put more.
No.
Can I do, Mom? Wait, what? That looks like an egg. You okay, Mom?
Yeah.
Be careful. I think we're going to need to put more layers. And like, there's going to be more layers. Can I show it to them? So, wow. That's how you do it? That's amazing. Okay.
Very nice.
We have to do 2 cameras because one's going on YouTube and the other one's going to my class and teacher. So, it's pretty
The
hard.
recipe, it says to let it set for 45 minutes. And when the top is set, then flip it over.
Oh, I think we're going to have to put that one on top of the other one, and then it's going to be layered.
Actually, it's not pretty. It's pretty good. It's very good, actually.
What?
This recipe and the crepes, they're coming out very good. It's not the perfect shape, but I think our pan is too big.
Wow, the batter moves. Wow, yummy! Hazelnut spread made with milk and cocoa. And we have another plate so we can put them on here. So we will spread it. And this is the knife we're using to spread on the, what do you call it?
Crepes.
Crepes. They look yummy. I'm gonna do the biggest one first. So here's the biggest one. Oh, it's really hot. Okay, so let's open up the Nutella. I need more. And then let's spread. I think it's going to be good, yummy.
Not in the screen. Keep spreading it.
So far, so good. I think this is going to be a masterpiece.
Oh yeah, I think so too.
Because it looks yummy.
Do you want to put some raspberries on top of it?
Sure.
Okay.
I think that'll make it even yummier.
Yeah, I like that. I'll spread it there.
Yeah, but there's Nutella like. Okay, so let's get this. And now let's spread it. Mmm, yummy. I did all the middle, but do I do the sides?
Yeah, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half.
Fold it in half.
Yeah, fold it in half, yeah, like that. And then fold it into another half. And that's going to be in quarters now.
Mm.
And then put it here.
Wow. Yay, it looks yummy. Try it. Mmm. It's good. Mm.
You did good?
Mm-hmm. It's great. Can I try put with a raspberry?
Yep. It's super good, Arshia.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Are you
Oh.
sure? Mmm. 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 Thank you for joining us. Hit the subscribe button and click the thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.